I got the keys, 5 keys to financial liberty. You will not walk into true wealth if you don't know keys to acquiring wealth. Key number 1, wrong mindset about money. Don't view money as a means to buying things, but view money as a means of acquiring assets. Key number 2, financial literacy. To know about money, you must educate yourself on money. Be familiar with savings, budgeting, credit, and investing will take you a long way. Key number 3, implement what you learn. Oftentimes, we acquire knowledge and don't implement it. Applied knowledge is what will lead you to your promised land. Key number 4, utilize your time wisely. One of our greatest assets as individual is our time. We must use our time in a way that will lead us along the path of prosperity. Key number 5, the power of networking. 2 is always better than 1. Find like-minded people and build together. These are just 5 keys that I believe if you would implement in your life, you will experience financial liberty. But first, you must make a decision today to say, you know what? Enough is enough. Enough means no more. I am ready to change my life. I am ready to live an abundant life. I am ready to live a successful life. I am ready to live a purposeful life. I believe if you apply these keys, you will see the breakthrough in your finance that you are looking for.